welcome to this video. So a little while ago, Greg and I rented an RV, drove down the Great Ocean Road, up into the Grampian National Park, and then took the ferry down to Tasmania. We're both really keen to get on the road and wanted to do a bit of a test run for what it would be like to live on the bus and just to see if there's anything that we hadn't considered in our design. So we looked around and found that Apollo was doing 60% off deals if you relocated an RV from Melbourne down to Hobart in Tasmania. We decided we would give ourselves 2 weeks to do the trip, then found some fun destinations, hopped on a plane, and flew down to Melbourne to start the adventure. We got a ton of amazing footage, saw some absolutely beautiful places, and spent the full 2 weeks on an RV road trip. For this first video, we start in Melbourne, stop off in Lorne for the night, and make our way down to Apollo Bay. I hope you guys liked the video. Smash that thumbs up button if you do. Follow us on Instagram for some current updates, and we will see you next week. Bye! We're at Bells Beach right now. There's a rainbow that's greeting us, making this drizzly weather a little bit nicer. And there's even some guys surfing in the ocean right now. They're kind of crazy. It's really cold. So we were driving down the Great Ocean Road just past Bells Beach, and we saw a chocolateria, a sign for it, and I was like, that looks good, and Greg was like, yeah, let's do it. We drove right past it, turned around, and came back. So now we're here. It's raining. Yeah. Let's go get some chocolate. I see giant sprinkle-covered kangaroos, and I think I'm in my happy place. This is a proper hot chocolate. They had the chocolate bits at the bottom that you have to stir and it melts. A whole cup of chocolate that you pour in or just eat, and a whisk to help mix it all together. I'm so excited. Driving down from Melbourne. We got our camper van and stopped at a few places along the way. We hit up Bells Beach, saw the Aries Inlet, and then ended up in Lorne, which is where we are right now. We just kind of parked for the evening, our first night in the camper van, enjoying a nice cozy tea. up here, all he could think about was how great this spot would be for paragliding or paramotoring, going all the way down that coast over there. It would be awesome. We'd just be able to coast right along the water. I am definitely looking forward to that part.